Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is translation services. With businesses going global, there's a growing demand for translators who can bridge language gaps. If you're fluent in multiple languages, this skill is perfect for you. Start by identifying the languages you're proficient in and practicing your translation skills. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the language pair and complexity. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and culturally relevant translations. You can find work on platforms like ProZ or Upwork. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Next is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To get started, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Third is product description writing. Every e-commerce store needs compelling product descriptions to drive sales, and if you have a way with words, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many clients pay $10 to $50 per description, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding the product and its target audience. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to e-commerce sellers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Fourth is web development. Every business needs a website, and if you can build one, you're in demand. As a web developer, you'll create functional and visually appealing websites for clients. Start by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or use platforms like WordPress for beginners. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per website, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for mobile. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. Finally, let's talk about social media management. Businesses need experts to manage their social media accounts and grow their online presence. As a social media manager, you'll create content, run ads, and engage with followers. Start by learning platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Many businesses pay $25 to $100 per hour for social media management services, depending on the scope of the project. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's goals and delivering measurable results. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose translation services, affiliate marketing, product description writing, web development, or social media management, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.